the other thing that you can do with these is wrap them around your wrist. And then when you're holding on to, I like to use a pen as an example, you can tuck this underneath the little clip. And when we have this wrapped around the hand, now it's going to hold the pen.
Oh, right in the right place. Yeah.
Because you will see kids that do their writing like this.
Oh, yeah.
We want to get this pen back into the web space. So in order to do that, we just have a little tuck there with the pencil. Put it around a pen, tuck it in, and then that keeps that pen back in the web space. So look at your child's grip, their grasp, and what is different compared to the proper picture that you find on YouTube. So if it's standing straight up, we want to get it back in the web space. If their pencil's too long or too short, sticking out from the hand, work on trying to get them in that proper grasp. And one of the cues I use a lot of times is fix your grip. So if you tell a child, they don't realize a lot of times when they're first training how to hold a pencil properly is fix your grip. And so, and then they fix it. You know, there's other kids that might put it between their hands this way when it's supposed to be over here. Just fix your grip, and then that little cue. And then as you progress them, you want to remove the verbal cue and you want to maybe have a visual cue. So you can point to fix your grip, like a little sign, put a little sign in front of them at the table and you can point to it. Right. And then that way it takes the nagging away from the parent.
Right.
Fix your grip, and you say it all the time. The kid gets annoyed by you. So now we're going to
turn you out. Yeah.
And then a fun way too is to add technology. Have a timer come up every 10 or 15 minutes. It says check your grip, and so the student can that can come on the little iPhone, and the student can say, "Oh yeah, my grip's good," or "No, it's not good," or you know. And so you take the pressure off the parent from being a nag by using visual cues and use some of the technology for like an alarm cue.
Great ideas. Yes.
Yeah.